There are 15 learning activities in the environment for student behavior. Many activities include improving games, think peer repair, brain writing, jigsaw, concept mapping, minute paper, and real time reactions. There are SEN classroom activities that are picture, bingo, guess the emotion, roll the dice, follow the leader, show and tell the partner. This is language art activities that also help special education and teaching strategies, and it gives resources. Students give an impression on teachers, and it is to make them comfortable in the class. The students also show uncertain behavior. Activities are there to plan for the classes. Exercises are there to create expressions, beautify the classroom, to engage the students, and the student will make the class beautiful. They can make things to hang, and the materials are paper, pencil, and tape and markers. There could be a visual tour of the classroom. Create a worksheet, and the student can share what they had experienced. Icebreakers or activities that make the community more comfortable. It will be a fun activity to get the introduction. The students struggle with self esteem and communication skills.